Yes, dear students, in last video, I proved, gave the statement of law of parallelogram, and then I proved the relation R is equal to under root R1 square plus R2 square plus 2 R1 R2 R2 cos theta. Theta is the angle between direction of R1 and R2. Now here, first case I take theta equal to 90 degree. That is R1 vector perpendicular to R2. Then you know cos 90 0. Since cos 90 0, so R equal to under root R1 square plus R2 square. And you will find lot of application of this equation. In many examples you find two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then resultant will be having magnitude R equal to R1 plus R2. For example, if two forces of 4 Newton and 3 Newton are acting at right angle at a body, then resultant force will have magnitude F equal to under root 4 square 16 plus 9 is equal to 5 Newton. So that is this way you will get in many places such type. Now number 2, if theta equal to 0 degree, then you will say कि parallelogram. So there is no parallelogram. So that is another thing. But we are thinking addition of two vectors. If two vectors are in the same direction, then theta equal to 0. Then R will be under root R1 square plus R2 square plus 2 R1 R2. Why? Cos 0 degree is 1. And hence it is under root R1 plus R2 whole square equal to R1 plus R2. The magnitude of the vector sum of two vectors which are in the same direction will be maximum, not more than this. Now if theta equal to 0 degree, 180 degree, then you know cos 1 degree equal to minus 1. You can find it, cos 180. So R equal to under root R1 square plus R2 square minus 2 R1 R2. Or it is finally R1 minus R2. So this represents the difference will be minimum, or addition of two vectors will be minimum when they are in opposite direction. When theta 1 degree means direction are opposite, and hence the two vectors are, means if two forces are in opposite direction, then they will be giving least magnitude. Now I noticed something good situation here. What is that? Okay, if diagonal OB, that is represents sum of two vectors. If one diagonal of a parallelogram represents the sum of two vectors, then other diagonal will represent difference of two vectors which are represented by which are of two vectors which are represented by two adjacent sides of parallelogram. Now I will prove it here. If one diagonal represents sum of two vectors, then second representing the difference. कैसे? See here how. Vector OB is vector R equal to OA plus AB, vector AB, equation 1. Now here vector AC, other diagonal, is equal to vector AB plus BC but BC is equal to minus OA. They are equal in matter of opposite direction, and hence AC is equal to AB minus OA. Equation 2. So equation 1 indicates here क्या कि R, equation 1 indicates vector R is equal to R1 plus R2. Here very clear to you all. Here AC, OAB is equal to R2 and BC is equal to minus R1. So AC here represent R2 minus R1, or CA equal to R1 minus R2. So this way we can say if this diagonal is sum, this is difference of two vectors. Question clear दिखता है? It is very clear here. If you see subtraction of two vectors, how do we subtract? R2 from R1, we put the tail of R2 on R1 and then join head of R2 to head of R1 and we get difference. I have already told you. Now, one thing again is important. If I add 1 and 2, we will get, adding equation 1 and 2, we get OB plus AC equal to OA get cancelled, 2AB. Indicate this plus this sum OB plus OC twice AB, subtracting 2 from 1. Subtracting 2 from 1. We get OB minus AC equal to, this will get cancelled, 2OA. So these are some facts. Actually, this type of question generally teachers do not ask in their annual or pre-board exam or any internal exam, but in competitive exam you may get application of these somewhere. That's why I have told. Otherwise, for academic classes of home exam, these facts never asked by the teachers. But we have to learn, we have to prepare for every. Actually, who wins, you know, who fights. The winner is the fighter. If someone does not fight, then he will not be anywhere. No? He will not exist. Nobody will know him. The winners are those which fight with the problems. So, dear students, work hard and try to face the difficulties and solve them yourself. This is my personal advice, because I know who wins, only the fighter wins. Who does not fight, he will not be known anywhere. Thank you.